welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today what I'd like to do, I did a video where I showed the 40 plus sounds from the FR-7x that you could put into the FR-1x. And I thought, to save people some time, I'm going to go through and actually list them. Actually, they should be up right over here. And the way I have it listed, I have the FR-7x set 1, 2, 3, all the way down, what it's called, and then the third column is what I saved it to. You don't have to use that. When you convert it, you can use whatever naming convention you want. I just wanted to make it easy for me. So I started at 701. The first number is telling me that it's from the 7x. Anyway, what I'm going to do is actually load them into my accordion, into U1, 2, 3, 4. I picked 4 just to kind of show, and you can see they're set 24, set 29, set 30, and set 39. So I just tried to pick out some that I thought would be kind of strange, like set 24, XLowReed. I'm assuming that it's going to be very low. 29, by its name, I'm assuming it's different types of master accordions. 30, examples. And 39, all orchestral. I don't know, it just sounded interesting. So, put the flash drive in, turn the accordion on. Okay? So, and I'm going to speed this up. Okay, I'm back. I now have them all loaded. And let me go to U1. Okay, U1 should be this low reed. So it's just turn on, went to U1. Okay. Oh. Yeah, they're very low reeds. What is it? 4A is a piccolo. Interesting. That's interesting. Orchestral. Trombone. That's that twin trumpet. That's the sax. Okay, and again, I'm going to keep this very short. I just really am doing this so you have the list of the songs. Let's let's take a look at U2. My U2 is different masters. Oh boy, is that nice. Yeah, and I think I'll take a look at those, and they just have different masters from everywhere. So it's just a really nice thing to do. Anyway, please hit the like and subscribe below, and keep playing.